Wires we're wiping off. Forget the sponge and water, people, DIYs. Invest in a washboy. You can't go wrong. Your hands will thank you for it for a start, because you can put on gloves, but nah, use a washboy. I don't know, I think that cost me 120 bucks. Big whoops. Alright, there's still a little bit of wax here and there. Get that off. Yeah, as I was saying, 120 bucks for a washboy. Go. You can't go wrong. Give it the old, oh Jesus, the lady of the house did this. Oh, she's done her best though. All the time you're looking to make sure everything's lovely. Da 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 da. Yeah, it never hurts just to give it a once over like that. It's actually called blending. This procedure. So, rub it all. And it gets it nice. Yeah, like I said before, I haven't had to put a stick over this, a grout stick. It's all coming nice because it's not really a pressed edge tile. It's I don't know, it's not a rounded edge, so it's grouting a lot better than a pressed edge tile does. A pressed edge tile is a lot more rounded, and you've got to grout stick it. Well, I do anyway, and that makes all the lines beautiful and even. I haven't needed to on this wall because they're it's not a rounded tile, not a pressed edge. Once you've given it the old once a rooney by going round circles, just give it a wipe off like so. And that just gets, you know, like how those window washers with the blade do a window. Well, that's how you do your wall. And the final wipe just makes it all lovely. Gets rid of the dust. I'll just finish this and I'll see how it's just drying a little. Now you go over that, or the owners can. They can give it a, yeah, just a little bit of wax has been left at the edges. No biggie. Well, doing that wall has taken about 45 minutes. Which is it's easy. It's been a beautiful wall to grout. I've just got to do that bottom section now, so I'll run through there, whooshka, and then just wipe it off. And there you go, feature wall. My shower screen guy, Chris, his name is, he's already measured up the ensuite. He'll need to, when he comes out, measure up this one, and he's doing the wardrobe doors as well. So yeah, it's called sharing it around. Okay people, we'll see you soon. Stay in touch. See ya. Bye. Tell your mates to subscribe to my channel. They'll get a lot of enjoyment out of it, I'm sure. Or hopefully. Okay. Yo!